I'm so glad you stopped by to the Soul Winners RS website. Remember again Proverbs 11:30 that says, "He who wins souls is wise." Today we're going to try to demystify, which means remove the mystery from something, and also we're going to try to destigmatize, to remove associations of shame or disgrace from. And in the process we're going to try to overcome the fear of soul winning. When we think about telling someone about the love of Jesus Christ, do we become fearful of not knowing what to say and how to say it? Do we fear failure? Do we think that people will think that we're religious fanatics? I am in the same boat as the rest of you if you think these things. There's no shame in admitting it. The first step to overcome fear is to admit it and face it. I'm going to propose an experiment that I plan to try in the next week. You can join me if you like. I'll report the results next Wednesday. Following are the steps. Number 1. Jesus said, "I am the bread of life. No one who comes to me will ever be hungry." Think about that and internalize what Jesus said. And then also think and internalize the quote by evangelist D.T. Niles. He said, evangelism is just one beggar telling another beggar where to find bread. Thinking of ourselves as beggars in need of the bread of life, then in turn telling other beggars where to find this bread, will demystify and even destigmatize the act of soul winning. Number 2, pray for God to give at least one person in the next week to share this bread with. Let's start slowly. At this point, don't even worry about saying the right words or quoting the right scripture. I plan to do the same and tell you next Wednesday how it went. If I don't find anyone to share with, I'll be upfront with you and discuss that as well. And discuss what I think the barrier was. Then I plan to just move forward with further soul-winning experiments. I'll be praying for you, and I ask you to pray for me as we embark on this experiment. See you next week.